Keeping your child comfortable, supported, and secure during every ride is essential. Whether you are heading out for daily walks, weekend adventures, or longer training sessions. This seat and shoulder strap padding kit is designed to significantly improve comfort inside compatible child trailers from 2016 to current models, making every journey smoother for both parents and children. The set includes soft seat padding, shoulder strap padding, and a supportive headrest that work together to cushion your child from firm harness straps and rough movement. The added headrest provides extra support for developing necks, helping younger passengers stay stable while also giving older children a more relaxed riding position. This thoughtful design helps children feel more secure, reducing shifting and discomfort during rides. Installation is quick and straightforward, allowing parents to upgrade their trailer in minutes without tools. The padding is removable and hand-washable, making it easy to keep clean and hygienic after spills, snacks, or everyday use. Built for active families, the materials are durable yet gentle on sensitive skin, making this kit suitable for children of different ages and sizes. Parents love how this padding gives smaller children a helpful boost while protecting older kids from harsh straps, making it ideal for families with more than one child. Whether used for casual rides or sport activities like triathlon training, this comfort upgrade adds real value without adding bulk or complexity. If you want to improve your child's riding experience and make every outing more enjoyable, check the link in the video description to see if this padding kit is compatible with your trailer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more practical gear that helps families travel more comfortably and confidently together.